In this transition, we focus in which we wish to grow. As we enter the beginning of the root energy, where we will rest and renew in the darkness of winter. We will come out transformed. Today, we take the time to honor this transition. We thank nature, and we bring everything into our hearts, yin and yang, male and female, light and darkness. The heart is like the equator of the earth, is the point of connection, the center in both directions, vertical and horizontal, and it's from the heart that we radiate ourselves into all directions. We focus on the energy of the wind in moving forward, step by step, slowly, walking like the wind. Can be gentle, persistent, penetrating, can be soft, it can be strong. And we bring in all the elements, the thunder, the lake, the mountain, the wind, water and fire, and the heaven and the earth. We bring together the suffering and the joy, the illness and the healing. And when I heal myself, I heal the world. Healing spreads out, as we are not separate. Even when you meditate, when you do your self-care, when you tend for the earth, you are helping. You might not see the effect of it right away, but now is more important than ever to do this work, to stay centered, to stay in your power within, to heal yourself, to care for yourself and all living things. When you face a world that you cannot control, your inner tranquility is the one thing that you can have a say about. Focus on that. Find emotional balance, like the tree. Find your self-confidence. Cultivate compassion and kindness for yourself and for others. Periods of hardship and darkness contain the seed of regeneration and renewal. If you feel exhausted and tired, rest. Ask your body and soul each morning, what do you need